I'm just reading this book from Fraser Brooks. Even though it's not in my language, this is very interesting. Network marketing is one of the greatest vehicles for people to change their family future for generations with the power of residual income. Being paid time and time again for the work you did once, like actors and songwriters. Let's summarize that. If you don't see it, you won't take action. If you don't believe in it, you won't take action. And that's why I've got an offer for you. I can share the vision of Myron Wentz, the creator of USANA, on 10th of August. Well, it starts raining. Have you ever thought about building a residual stream income? Getting paid for what you did in the past, again, like songwriters or actors. That's what I'm deep into. I've been reading this book, I Double Dare You. This is the second book after I Dare You, and before From Loser to Legend. If you want to get the vision of what we're doing, I give you the opportunity to come and visit the factory of the company I work with on August 10th, 5 p.m. Central European Time. You'll be able to see the vision, to see the facilities, to see the operation location, which I've been visiting, so that you get what we're building and you get the vision later on with my friend Serge in French. I hope you understand French, or I will be able to transfer it to you, so that you can build something which is, according to me, the most important thing to build for our family, for the future generations. But you won't take action if you don't believe in it. And the best thing to do is to come on Thursday 10th of August with us.